What if your work could be interesting, exciting? Let's admit it, it's not always like that, right? Especially when it comes to professional work, the work that you do for your living. Sometimes it can get monotonous, it can get boring, exhausting, long hours of work. But what if I told you that the tips that I'm about to tell you in this video can help you make your work much more fun, and not only fun, much more meaningful. Hello guys, welcome to Models of Excellence, where we teach you tools, strategies, techniques and models that will help you lead an excellent life. The first way to make your work more fun is to add challenges. Right? By challenges, I mean it could be anything. Maybe let's say you take about 2 hours to get a particular work done. Try doing it in 1 hour. Try planning for that. Try planning for 1.5 an hour. Right? That could be one sort of a challenge, the timing challenge. Second challenge could be on trying to make your work a little bit better than it usually is. A little bit better. Right? You can talk about 1% better than what you usually do. You can sit there, ask yourself, what can I do to make my work much better? Because when you are creating something, when there is an improvement, you feel good. We love improvements. So creating that 1% improvement can make you feel very, very happy about your work. Now, another way of a challenge could be competition. Let's say you are in a sales job or something like that, where you need to get a lot more sales and you need to talk to a lot more people. You can compete with your colleagues to try to beat them to get as much done as possible. Now make sure to keep it healthy, don't make it unhealthy. Like I have seen people who take competition with colleagues to a next level which is not good, where they take it personally if somebody wins or something like that. So that is another way on how you could add challenges. These are not the only ways. You can try many other ways to add challenges to your work. Second way to make your work fun is to add music or watch TV shows and movies. What do I mean by this? Now, warning, bear in mind that this is good if your work is very monotonous. If your work is something that's like, if it's like data entry of copying and pasting, this is awesome. This is a very good way to do it. Now, how do you do it? One thing is, if you go to certain one, you can listen to music. There are some work musics which will get you focused, which will make you feel relaxed. There's some music which is upbeat, fun, or you can have mixture of music so that you don't get bored. That is one way. The other thing is, if you go to certain browsers like Chrome or Firefox, you have an option. When you're watching a video, it's something called as pop-up window. If you click that option, your video comes up like a separate screen. You can resize it. You can have your work window open, and on the side, in the bottom somewhere, you can have your video, movie or TV show playing. With that playing, by watching that, you can get your work done. Sometimes when I'm doing some work which is very monotonous, I tried something that doesn't require too much of my mental effort. I do it. I watch TV shows, I watch movies, I listen to music, and then I get the work done. Or you can learn something, learn a course, or watch a YouTube video, whatever that you feel is fun. The third way to make your work fun is to align it with your purpose. Remember in your school or college days when you're sitting and a teacher was telling you something, something about some hydrogen bonding or some sort of a structure, chemical structure, or anything, some sort of a complex concept. And maybe you or somebody in the class asked, what is the practical application? Or why are we studying this? Is this important? And the teacher said, yeah, it's in your syllabus, you have to study. Now that's the right answer. But tell me this. Do you think that will inspire people to study? You think telling a student that, you know what? Hey, it's in your syllabus. That's why you have to study. You think that will make students go like, yes, it's in our syllabus. I'm so excited. Wow. No, that does not happen. That's far from it, right? It's boring. It's like, So one thing that they could have done, one thing teachers could do is tell them why it is important. What can they learn that can help them in their life. Figure a way out to connect whatever they're learning to their purpose in life, to what they want to achieve or to what they want to develop in life. And when you do that, all of a sudden they enjoy it. For example, I learned digital marketing, or I'm interested in marketing right now, even communication, speaking, and all these things that I do right now. And I was never interested in these things. And something happened. I had a goal. To achieve that goal, I had to learn how to speak. I had to learn digital marketing. And then I was able to put in interest and learn. I never felt like it was a chore. I enjoyed learning them, right? Because it was aligned with my purpose. So figure out, how can you connect your work with your purpose? How can you use your work right now to help you build a good future? Maybe let's say you are in a place where you meet a lot of people. Now you don't know when they might come in handy. Maybe now they may not buy something from you. They might not work with you, but in future you might need their talent or skills. So building that connection can help you in future. Maybe when you start your own company or own venture or something like that. So this kind of a thing, when you can connect your work with your purpose, all of a sudden your work becomes much more meaningful. More than a chore or core or whatever you call it. It becomes something that adds value to your life. You don't feel like, man, I have to put effort in this. You feel like, wow, I'm learning this. This will help me. This is contributing to my life, and that will make it meaningful. With that said, guys, try these things out. This is a very light-hearted, quick video. I spoke to some people and I saw that, you know what? I think making content that would help people make work more fun would help them. With that said, thank you so much for watching. If you felt like this is practical, this is something that you could apply, then leave a like and hit that subscribe button. With that said, drop in the comments your tip to make your work fun. With that said, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.